is a base for you, and for NEET itself it is a question. इनके लिए question है, आपके लिए base foundation है ये. And if you are having strong foundation, you can understand. Otherwise, you cannot understand. So please take everything systematically, right, in a proper way. ठीक है?
Trial. 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 Trial.
Expansion means increase in volume. Compression means decrease in volume. Pressure is constant. I am decreasing temperature. Volume decreases. Compression.
Trial.
Pressure is constant. I am increasing pressure. Volume increases. That is called isobaric. Expansion, isobaric, compression.
Trial.
Those students who have not written their section and roll numbers, I am removing them, right? Number of times we have said, number of times I think management also, in charge people also said, it's over.
Trial.
Is it clear? Expansion and compression. Is it clear? Muhammad Anas.
Trial. Trial.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो स्टॉप. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, खामोश बैठ जाइए. बाद में जब फिर वर्ड आ गया कैच कीजिए इसको. थर्ड टाइम नॉट नेसेसरी. यू आर आईआईटी नीट स्टूडेंट एंड फॉर दैट टाइम सपोज अगेन एंड अगेन देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ खामोशी से सुनते रहिए. कभी फिर आएगा तो जब उसको कैच कर लीजिए. ठीक है? Shall I proceed? Is it over? Draw systematically. Take care of the arrows. Take care of the arrows. Expansion कहाँ लिख रहे हैं? Compression कहाँ लिख रहे हैं?
Trial. 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 Trial.
Done?
Trial.
Very good. Other students, shall I jump to next slide?
Trial.
Fine. Now in this slide especially, I was trying to say that work done is a path function. I am taking initial state, final state, same, but I am enjoying different paths. Now see the next thing. Suppose, for example, I have given you this type of, this is a question. IIT main, this is a question. I am taking questions in the form of conceptual discussion. Suppose some fellow asks you to find out the amount of work done. How to proceed? First, see the graph carefully. Whenever graph comes, you should be more serious, more dedicated. Along y-axis, I am having pressure in Newton per meter square into 10 power 5. Achha. This is SI unit. Very good. X-axis volume liters. So, liter is not SI unit. Liter is not supposed to be SI unit. Therefore, whenever we are discussing that final, we have to change them into SI units. Volume ka SI unit hai meter cube, right? Liter is a practical unit of volume, but not serious, not SI. चलिए ठीक है. अब A initial point हमेशा यहाँ होगा A के पास. Now see A to B. At A, what is the pressure? 12 into 10 power 5 Pascal. 1 Newton meter square is 1 Pascal. At 12 atmosphere, sorry, 12 Pascal, I am maintaining 12 Pascal constant, but volume is increasing from 2 liters to 8 liters. Is it not expansion? Yes. This line AB, हर line का नाम देने आपको आना चाहिए. ठीक है? So this is known as expansion. Which expansion? At constant pressure. Isobaric expansion. चलो ठीक हो गया. एक नाम हो गया. जब आप नोट्स लिखेंगे यहाँ पे एरो डाल के लिखना isobaric expansion. चलिए B to C. Now see here. B to C, volume at B is 8 liters. Volume at C is also 8 liters. This is called as isochoric process. Isochoric process. Isochoric का मतलब वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट. जब वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट है तो ना एक्सपेंशन लिखेंगे ना कंप्रेशन लिखेंगे. क्या लिखेंगे? प्रोसेस. व्हाट इज दिस प्रोसेस? वी हैव डिक्रीज इन प्रेशर. वॉल्यूम इज 8 liters, प्रेशर इज 12 pascal. वॉल्यूम इज 8 liters, pressure is 4 Pascal. So pressure is decreasing, volume remains constant. This is called as isochoric process. Isochoric process की beauty क्या है? काम नहीं होगा. Work is equal to 0 because piston is not moving. Okay? चलिए C से D पे जाइए. In C to D again pressure is constant. How much? 4 10 power 5 Pascal. Okay, isobaric. No sir. Volume is decreasing. Compression. Isobaric compression. ठीक है? Pressure constant है. Volume is decreasing. चलिए D to A जाइए. When you go from D to A, then what happens? In that case, here volume at D 2 liters, volume at A also 2 liters. Isochoric process. BC isochoric process, right? DA isochoric process, and as a whole, A, B, C, D is called cyclic process. Cyclic process. ये सब सीखना है आपको. Everything is new for you. Cyclic process, and nothing is connected with the previous things. C में क्या गया, B में क्या गया, A में क्या गया, कुछ भी कनेक्शन नहीं है. यहाँ पे इन्वॉल्वमेंट कंप्लीट न्यू एस्पेक्ट का है. आई मीन IIT सिलेबस, नीट सिलेबस नो. तो पहले पूरा नॉमेनक्लेचर था. चलिए अब साइक्लिक प्रोसेस. सर व्हाट इज माय जॉब? नथिंग. फाइंड आउट वर्क. In such cases, remember, work done is equal to work done in step 1, work done in step 2, step 3, step 4, right? Therefore, total amount of work done is equal to work done with AB, BC, CD, DA, right? And when you are having such type of cases, come on, work done A to B. Isobaric expansion. Formula? No, sir. I am having only one formula, minus P external delta V. हमको expansion की जरूरत नहीं है, compression की जरूरत नहीं. हमको formula है mechanical work का मतलब minus P external delta V. Minus P external का मतलब ये final pressure को P external कहेंगे. Listen carefully. Final pressure को P external कहेंगे. Right? Here it is constant. अब देखो क्या लिखा मैं? 12 into 10 power 5 Pascal. ठीक है? अब उसके बाद यहाँ पे आइए. Delta V. What is delta V? Final minus initial. Final is 8 liters. Initial is 2 liters. 8 minus 2. No, sir. It is liters. I have to report in terms of meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. इसका मतलब
Trial.
1 liter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So multiply करने के बाद once it is multiplied, it is called whole SI unit.
Trial.
Now whatever be the answer, you have to say answer in terms of joule. Answer is minus. Okay, work of expansion. Work is done by the gas. By the gas. Remember, work done की quantity जो है वो 7200 joules है. Magnitude of work done is 7200 joule. What this minus indicates? Nature. Nature of work. Negative work, expansion. Positive work, compression. यहाँ से आपको nature आएगा. ठीक है? चलिए. Now BC, what is BC? Isochoric process, work done is 0, always. Next, CD, compression. For formula, I don't know the formula for expansion compression. I have general formula, sir, because I am not doing labor work. I am doing scientific analysis. Minus Px delta. चलो minus. P external. क्या है P external यहाँ पे? 4 है. 4 10 power 5 Pascal into final volume. मैंने सर 2 छोटा है, 8 बड़ा है. Mathematics में ऐसा कैसा? No. Such type of unnecessary things. Thermodynamics में जहां डेल्टा वर्ड आएगा फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल लिखेंगे. फाइनल कौन है? I don't care. इनिशियल कौन है? I don't care, sir. I'll write final value 2, initial value 8, 2 minus 8. It is in liters. I have to change in cube, meter cube. Therefore, like this. Simplify. See the answer. You are getting plus sign. Okay, automatically you are getting plus sign. It means you are indicating work done on the gas. Work done on the gas is called compression, and compression is positive. Chaliye, D2A. What is D2A? Isochoric process. That is 0. Therefore, total amount of work done is equal to work done in all the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Hence, total work done is equal to calculate all of them. That will be final answer. अब जरा final answer के ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए. Final answer is negative. अच्छा, ओवरऑल वर्क नेगेटिव हुआ है. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे एक ब्यूटीफुल ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन बनेगा. साइकिल कौन सा है जरा देखिए. ए बी सी डी. अंदर मैं आपको एक ब्लू लाइन डाला हूं, ब्लू कर्व. इज इट नॉट क्लॉकवाइज? यस. When I am going from A to D via BC, is it not movement of cyclic process in clockwise? Yes. Wherever we have clockwise cyclic processes, work will be negative. Wherever we have clockwise cyclic processes, work will be negative. अच्छा, इसका मतलब है clockwise processes में work of expansion होगा. Is it clear? ये short questions के लिए important है when you are having multiple answers. Cyclic process में क्या क्या होता है? Yes. इसका मतलब हम थोड़ा सा आगे का सोच सकते. सर cyclic process अगर anti clockwise हो तो क्या होगा? Compression work होगा. Answer क्या आएगा? Positive answer आएगा. Right? चलिए. जब आएगा, what is the meaning of that? Work is less than 0 implies work done by the system. Expansion, clockwise expansion. अच्छा, अब ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है. अब मैं थोड़ा जनरल स्टाइल में बात कर रहा हूँ. पीवी वहां पे वैल्यूज दिया था, यहाँ पे और एक स्टाइल का प्रॉब्लम लेंगे हाथ पे. चलिए अब क्या करेंगे? कुछ नहीं करना है सर. A to B isobaric expansion. You people are genius. No need to again once again. B to C, isochoric, work done is 0. C to D, isobaric compression. D to A, isochoric process, work done is 0. Total amount of work done from A to D via BC is work A to B. Isobaric expansion. कौन से देखिए? Isobaric expansion. Expression minus P external. What is P external? किस प्रेशर पे ये काम हो रहा है? P नॉट पे हो रहा है. P नॉट इंटू डेल्टा V, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. ठीक है सर. 3V नॉट माइनस. आंसर इज समथिंग. गॉट इट. along with sign. That is important. BC isochoric 0. CD compression formula minus P external delta V. Then minus 2P naught. What is that? External pressure. यहाँ के लिए external pressure 2P naught है. यहाँ के लिए external pressure P naught है. Into then what is volume change? Final volume. Some final volume कम है. I don't care. Final minus initial. ये आंसर आएगा negative. ये है negative. Positive. You get some number, right? Therefore, we have total amount of work done In case of isobaric expansion, we get negative answer. Isobaric compression, we get positive answer. And total amount of work done is 2P0 V0. I don't want to enjoy the term 2V to P0 V0. I want to enjoy sign plus. Okay. If suppose it is anti-clockwise, यहाँ पे क्या था? Clockwise cyclic process में हमेशा work negative होगा. Anti-clockwise process में हमेशा work positive होगा. Clockwise work is indication of expansion, work done by the gas. Anti-clockwise work done is work done on the gas compression. थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़िए.
Trial.
W is more than 0, work done on the system. Clockwise, anti-clockwise को enjoy करो यहाँ पे. I am taking that is as a main point of discussion.
Trial.
Okay, next. Note. In case of clockwise cyclic processes, I am analyzing whole story, right? So that those students who are repeatedly asking, हमको ये समझ में नहीं आया, हमको समझ में नहीं आया, I am doing spoon feeding to NEET doctors and IIT. It's not good teaching, beta. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आप अपनी तरफ से ये सब conclusions create करना. Work done less than 0. Work is negative. किसकी बात है ये? Clockwise की बात है. चलिए, work is done by the system and it is called expansion. अब in case of anti-clockwise cyclic processes, work is more than 0. Work is positive. Work is done on the system and this is called work of compression. Right? ये suppose इसको बाद में करेंगे. पहले ये लिख लो, आगे बाद में.
Trial.
Take down this. Take down systematically all the graphs, scale, pencil, 2 colors, and you have to draw arrows properly, stepwise. हर चीज लिखिए. Try to keep the notes in a very systematic way so that you can learn the subject in a proper way.
Trial. 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 Trial.
Any question to ask? Any sincere question is to ask?
Trial. 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 trial, 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 trial,
Is it over?
trial, trial,
Right. Now, come to the next discussion. Sometimes what happens in case of this process, they'll give you like this. What we'll do?
trial,
Again, you can say, sir, we are talking about AB process and CA process and BC process, right? We are going clockwise. ऐसा हम कर सकते हैं.
trial,
But there is one point we have discussed. What is that point? Area under the graph, right?
trial,
And this is supposed to be a triangular area. तो ऐसे cases में हम ऐसा करते हैं. Amount of work done is
trial,
area under the graph. And what is the graphical representation? A triangle. Half into base
trial,
into height. Half into base into height. यहाँ आपको magnitude आएगा. यहाँ क्या आएगा? Magnitude आएगा. Once you get the magnitude, then see is it clockwise or anti-clockwise. अगर area
trial,
मालूम कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसा करेंगे. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? First we get answer. अब उसके बाद देखिए सर it is clockwise. क्या बोले हम clockwise में negative. Answer हम क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? Minus P naught V naught. अच्छा कैसा लिया मैं एरिया? Half into
trial,
base. Base is final minus initial, right? Then this is यहाँ पे clockwise anti clockwise कुछ नहीं देखेंगे. Final minus initial, ठीक है? Similarly, what is that pressure?
trial,
Right, half into base into height. So this is base and this is height. What is height? Final minus initial. We got this answer. Therefore,
trial,
process is clockwise, hence work is minus P naught V naught. ये आपको करना है अगर आप ऐसा करें. Otherwise, we have to calculate
trial,
work done here, work done here. That will be a labor work. It is supposed to be a scientific job whenever you are having such type of figure. Take down that.
trial, 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 trial,
Over.
trial, 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 trial,
Is it over?
trial, 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 trial,
Next.
trial,
Now, if suppose you are taking graphical representation, one of the method is like this. Suppose if he has given you something in terms of this figure, that I have
trial,
given a circular system, right? Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Here we have initial pressure, final pressure, initial volume, final
trial,
volume. How to calculate amount of work done? Very simple, sir. Area under the graph. How to proceed? Area under the graph means pi r square, pi, right? Why
trial,
I am saying minus here? Clockwise, clockwise, okay? R. What is this R? This is V2 minus V1, change in
trial,
volume. This is diameter. Then P2 minus P1 diameter. Therefore, we proceed like this,
trial,
but this is not the whole area. Here, what is that to be done? Wait a minute. We should go like this. This
trial,
area under the graph should be taken. Make correction here. It is to
trial,
be written as, there is a mistake here. What is that mistake? R. What is this R? V2
trial,
minus V1 by 2. V2 minus V1 by 2. And what is pressure? P2 minus P1 is
trial,
diameter. No, sir, we want R square. P2 minus P1 by 2. So answer should be minus pi by 4. Minus, listen carefully, pi by 4 into V2 minus V1 into
trial,
P2 minus P1. Units, I am not having any units here, therefore I am going normally. What will be the answer? Minus pi by 4. Pi by 4. V2 minus
trial,
V1 into P2 minus P1. Okay. Similarly, like this. Suppose if I am
trial,
having pressure kilopascal and here in this case volume, then how to proceed? Check up first
trial,
clockwise or anti-clockwise. See this clockwise process, negative work done. How to proceed, sir? For that purpose, we proceed like this: pi r square pi
trial,
V2 minus V1, right? What is V2 minus V1? V2 minus V1 is 30 minus 10, 20. 20 by 2, by 2. Take care of that. By 2, okay? You
trial,
do one thing, you just write down this much, remaining I'll make it correction. Just take this thus, enough today. Minus pi by
trial,
4. यहाँ क्या लिखना है? Minus pi by 4. V2 minus V1, V2 minus V1. चलो, take down that much, that will stop today. Remaining we can work
trial,
with that value of radius. हमको radius होना है, diameter नहीं होना है. V2 minus V1 is diameter. I should take by
trial,
2. By 2. This becomes 4. Minus 5 by 4 into V2 minus V1 into P2 minus V1.
trial, 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 trial,